Hi guys, what is up? How are you all doing? So in today's video, I'm going to review to you guys, as you have heard from the or seen from the title itself, the VLCC facial kits. I got a request back then, really long back, when I did the face washes review video of VLCC. They were launched in 4 variants of different cater to different sort of skin types and different ingredients like haldi, neem, and really with natural ingredient. VLCC is very well known brand for really making their products naturally and really in a good using a lot of natural ingredients and focusing on nature for your skin, and that is something which is really good for your skin and something which you can give a lot of benefit to your skin as well. So after they launched their face washes, after some months, they also launched their facial kits in the same variants what the face washes were launched in, and the variants are 4 different variants. And I got a review of I got requested to for 200 per product. So to be honest, I wanted more discounts and I was waiting for discounts on Nykaa because they always have Nykaa in different sort of events. Use this product and I got it for discount 180, to be honest, so like 20 rupees discounted. So I think even if 20 rupees is a lot, so I didn't get 4 of the variants. I just got 2 of them because if I ordered 4 of them and if it would just be pathetic, I think my money would just go wasted. So I didn't want to take a risk and I ordered 2 of them. So I ordered the Dip Pore Cleansing and Brightening Haldi Tulsi one. So this I got because of I have really large pores and wanted to deeply cleanse my pores. For that issue, I always make sure that I buy products which is to be targeted on my issues. And the next one I got is my absolute favorite, is the Double Neem Double Power Facial Kit. So obviously I have oily skin and always make sure that I buy products which has neem, aloe vera, tea tree, green tea, and all of those sort of ingredients. I bought both of them and I'm going to review to you guys how they worked and all of that stuff. So keep on watching. Okay, so as mentioned, they retail for rupees 200, but on discount you get it for 180, so it's quite a good deal. Even if you're buying for 200, it's quite a good deal. Packaging is something like that, comes in a box or of a container, very travel friendly. You can travel with this if you're going some sort of event or like a destination wedding and stuff, and you want like a facial with you as well to do touch-ups and this and that on your skin. You can absolutely take this because they are so amazing, guys, and I'm going to review to you obviously. So the first I'm going to show you is the Double Neem Double Power one. So if I open this, the packaging is very small. You don't even need to take the box, to be honest. You can just take the inside product. And before showing you the products, I'll just say what all it comes with. It comes with a face wash, it comes with a scrub, it comes with a gel, a cream, and a face pack. That is amazing. It comes with 5 stuff, so you don't even need anything else to do your facials and stuff. So just clean your face with your face wash, then there is a scrub, there is a gel, then cream, and then face mask. And doing this will just give you amazing glow. You don't need to spend hours and hours in parlor, to be honest. So this is how the inside thing looks like. Wait, I'll just show you. Yeah, so how cool is this? It comes in like a stand and it's like stirred inside very nicely, and it comes in like a tube sort of packaging in this way, so you don't even need to take the whole box. You can just remove all the products. And the best part I felt about this is that it comes with numbers indicated in them. So there is like step 1, step 2, step 3, like that indicated. So this I have is face cream, and it says that it's a step 4. I hope you can see. Okay, so it says that it is step 4 and it is numbers inscribed. So that is the best thing I feel about this product. Okay, now something which I wanted to put out there is that this facial kit is not something which you would highly use if you have a lot of black hair, white hair, and this is not going to work for that. This is just sort of facial for really like a glowing thing if you want to. And the facial scrub, the scrub which it comes is not at all granulated. It's very normal, and that actually makes it more effective on all types of skin, any types of skin. People can use this product. This scrub is not at all like granulated or something really harsh on the skin which only oily skin people or only dry skin people can use. This is something which is very amazingly made. So it's like catered to universally anyone, any skin type, any skin issue type, people can use this. That is the best thing I felt about this product. So quality and quantity, I absolutely feel that they're amazing for the quantity and the quality it comes for. It like for 200 rupees you're getting such a cute tube, and you can use this maximum for 3 facial. To be honest, I have used I think 2 times till now, the neem one, and I've used the haldi one 3 times, and still half of the product is still left. I don't use a lot of, but I definitely make sure that I use most of the stuff on my skin. But you don't need a lot for this. I don't know why, you just need a little bit. And I really love the fact that it comes in a really cute packaging, and you can also travel with this. That makes it very more effective. So that is something which I really wanted to put out there. So yeah, coming to the haldi one now, even that comes in the same packaging and the same way how the neem one comes in. So I'm pretty sure that even the other two are in the same ways. So yeah, that is something which is there for the packaging and the quantity. Quality time of the product or the expiry, it comes 3 years maximum expiry date. So this is the manufacturer of this product is 8/17, and it will get expired on 7/20, which is absolutely like 4 years, but just let's go with 3. So that is something which makes it more good again. And yeah, you can definitely give it a try, guys. Okay, now coming to how the product looks. So I have just put everything on my hands in the step wise. I'm going to show you, I'm going to focus, and I'm going to show you one by one. So the first thing you can see is it's a face wash, the first step. Then the second one is the scrub. So you can see the face wash and the scrub looks absolutely identical because it's not much difference in them. It's like, then the third one is a gel, and the fourth one is cream, and the fifth one, last one, is the face pack. So this is how the consistency of all the product looks like. To be honest, quite amazing. This is the neem one. So smells amazing as the face wash. It's the smell is absolutely similar as the face wash, and also there is the face wash also incorporated in this facial as well, and everything smells really fresh, and neem, it's totally the neem one. So I really love the consistency. Okay, now coming to the haldi tulsi one. Again, I have just swatched it on my hand. So the first one is the face wash. It's like clear. The second one is like a bit granulated, you can see, but it's not very harsh on your skin. The third one is the gel. The fourth one is the cream right here, and the fifth one is the face pack. So the consistency of all the product is quite amazing, to be honest. And the color is also according to the product, whatever it is there. So neem one was like green, and the haldi tulsi one is like yellow. So that is something which I really liked about this. And the fragrance, to be honest, is like absolutely similar to the products. So if you mix haldi and tulsi together, what fragrance you will get, it's absolutely like that. The fragrance is totally the similar thing. I do a lot of DIY, so I can totally tell that on camera, obviously. So these are the facial kits and what I felt about this. And something what I forgot to mention is that all the tubes were literally sealed with a silver packaging, and that is something which I feel really important to be done. If it's not sealed here, that means it's not of, I don't know what to say, but it's not good. It came sealed. Everything was really sealed properly, and that is something. And I ordered this from Nykaa, so I absolutely trust Nykaa for everything, for the packaging, everything. It is not broken and stuff like that. So yeah, if you like the review, and definitely try it. I would definitely highly recommend to try once one of the facial kit. There are 4 of the variants. The other one is the Chandan one. And the next one is, I think, for I don't remember the next. I'll just put in the names in the description. So I have these 2, which is the neem one and the haldi chandan one. So haldi tulsi one. So I think the haldi tulsi one is for deep pore cleansing, and the neem one is for really pimple prone skin and stuff like that. So highly recommend this facial kit if you want to give it a try. And I will put down sort of comments if you want me to do more reviews and stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.